So Antonia, a draw in semi-finals against Stjarnan.
Yes.
What's the first reaction after the draw?
I mean, before the draw, we really didn't expect nothing. So we are ready to play against every team. As every time we will prepare the game, we try to do our best.
You have played against Stjarnan a few times this season. How do you feel about meeting them?
They have a long roster. They have already players. They work really well. I like the style how they play. So it will be not easy. They're a good team.
How will you get the fan base to come to Höllin in 13th of February?
I already saw many times that we have the best fans, and we will expect all of them. We will try to bring all the kids because for us it's important to involve also the youths. We work a lot with the youths. We have a great program there, so we expect to bring many of them.
Great. That's good. Thank you.